Hey everyone, welcome back to The Budget Boss. Today we're diving into a topic that can make a huge difference in your financial future, personal finance and budgeting. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your money management skills, this video is for you. So grab a notebook, take some notes, and let's get started. Now, I know that when it comes to managing money, it can feel overwhelming at first. But trust me, breaking it down step by step will make it feel so much more manageable. So let's start with the basics. What exactly is personal finance? Personal finance is simply how you manage your money. Everything from budgeting, saving, investing, paying off debt, and planning for retirement. It's all about making your money work for you. Step 1. Track your income and expenses. Before you can create a budget, you need to know where your money is going. You might be surprised at how much you're spending on things like subscriptions, eating out, or those small impulsive purchases. So, grab a pen or use an app to track everything for a month. Yes, everything. That way, you'll have a clear picture of your financial habits. Apps like Mint or YNAB, You Need a Budget, are great for this. They automatically categorize your spending and give you a clear overview of how much you're making and where it's all going. Step 2. Set your financial goals. What do you want your money to do for you? Do you want to build an emergency fund, pay off credit card debt, save for a vacation or your first home? Your financial goals should be specific, measurable, and time-bound. That way, you know exactly what you're working towards. For example, save $1,000 for an emergency fund in 6 months is a clear, achievable goal. You could break it down further, $167 per month or about $42 per week. When you have a goal in mind, it makes budgeting a lot easier. Step 3. Create a budget. Now that you know your income, expenses, and goals, it's time to create a budget. This is where you decide how much of your money will go towards each category. A simple rule to start with is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, housing, utilities, food, etc. 30% for wants, dining out, entertainment, shopping, 20% for savings and debt repayment. The great thing about a budget is that it helps you prioritize your spending. If you notice you're spending too much in one category, you can adjust and shift things around. The key is to be realistic, but also stay disciplined. Step 4. Start saving and build an emergency fund. Emergencies happen, whether it's a car repair, medical bill, or unexpected job loss. That's why it's super important to have an emergency fund. Experts recommend saving 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses, but start small. Even if you're only saving $20 or $50 a month, it's a step in the right direction. The goal is to gradually build that financial cushion. Trust me, having that fund set aside will give you peace of mind, and you'll be less likely to rely on credit cards when life throws curveballs. Step 5. Pay off debt. If you're carrying any high-interest debt, like credit cards, paying it off should be a top priority. You can use strategies like the debt snowball, paying off the smallest debt first, or the debt avalanche, paying off the highest interest debt first. By tackling your debt head-on, you free up more money for savings and future goals. Plus, you'll save money on interest in the long run. Step 6. Invest for the future. Once you've built your emergency fund and tackled your debt, it's time to think long-term. Investing is a great way to grow your wealth, but don't worry. You don't need to be a Wall Street pro to get started. You can start with retirement accounts like a 401k or an IRA, or even low-cost index funds. The key is to start early. Let compound interest work its magic over time. So, there you have it. Personal finance doesn't have to be complicated. With tracking, budgeting, saving, paying off debt, and investing, you'll be on your way to financial success in no time. Just remember, it's all about consistency and staying focused on your goals. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, drop a comment with your own budgeting tips, and of course, hit that subscribe button for more content just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.